Hey guys, I'm Aurora and I'm a part of the Forex Strategies Resources team. Today I will show you MoneyMake's Pro Trading System that is a fractal breakout strategy filtered, but at the same time is also 1, 2, 3 pattern strategy but filtered by fractal breakout direction. The result of this trading experiment is a cycle trading system with market entry timing based on 1, 2, 3 breakout patterns. This very interesting and very aggressive trading idea can then be easily managed by different types of money management. In the following image, I show you the setup of the strategy. Time frame 50 minutes or higher. Currency pairs any. Money management all. MetaTrader 4 indicators. ZZ semaphore default setting. Fractal period 25. High period 3. Low period 2. Custom indicator. Panel trend mini dashboard. 1, 2, 3 pattern version 6 updated. Trading rules money makes pro trading system. Trades only in the direction of the fractal arrow. Buy. First, buy arrow of the fractal indicator. Re-entry by arrow of the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Sell. First, sell arrow of the fractal indicator. Re-entry sell arrow of the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Note, max to re-entry in the same direction. The double entry technique can be applied to this strategy. Trading only with the first arrow, the fractal. The martingala with max multiplier 1.65 is also used as money management. Exit position. Place initial stop loss 3 to 10 pips above below the previous swing high-low, depending on pairs and time frame. If the position goes up, move the stop loss above below the next fractal. Profit target ratio stop loss 1 to 1.12. If you use a quick profit, the profitability is very high. On the fractal arrow, the profit can be higher. Examples of trades. Examples of trades only first arrow. Subscribe, like, comment and share this video.